Well, coming up on March the 3rd, early in the morning of the 3rd, there's going to be a total lunar eclipse. That's the day of the full moon as well. And that happens when the sun and then the Earth creates a shadow, which then blocks the moon. And so that's going to be happening very early on your Tuesday morning across our area. So when we look at the eclipse, we're going to see that total lunar eclipse. And as we look at what's going to be happening, talking about the timing of this, now it's going to be at a time frame when the moon is setting over the horizon. And so you'll have a very small window to be able to see that eclipse. Now, the shadow begins crossing the moon on Tuesday morning at 3:35 in the morning. 50% eclipse is at 4:26, and then the total eclipse begins at 5:04 and ends at 6:03. The moon sets at about 6:09, so it's going to be pretty low to the horizon, but if you wake up a little bit early on Tuesday morning, you should have an opportunity to go ahead and check it out. And obviously the rest of the eclipse, the moon will be below the horizon, so you're not going to be able to see it. So that's the way things are shaping up, basically from 5 until 6 o'clock Tuesday morning. Now, there will be some clouds out there, some moisture, but I still think we're going to have an opportunity to be able to see it. There'll be enough breaks in those clouds that it should be pretty good. Winds are going to be out of the east primarily at about 5 to 10 miles an hour, so those winds will be fairly light. And temperatures at that time will be mainly into the mid-50s, so a relatively cool start to the day as we head into your Tuesday morning for the total lunar eclipse. And again, the eclipse begins at 5:04 Central Time and ends at 6:03 Central Time, with the moon dipping below the horizon a few minutes later at about 6:09. So again, that's coming up this Tuesday morning on March the 3rd. Go ahead and make sure to check it out.